Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Jamaica's under-20 reggae girls will still begin their CONCACAF final round against Canada, as Wednesday's match has been shifted to tomorrow in the Dominican Republic. The match was postponed due to adverse weather conditions, which resulted in a waterlogged field, but will be played on Friday at the Felix Sanchez Stadium starting at 4 p.m. The remaining matches have been pushed back, with the Jamaicans to take on the United States on Sunday instead of a Friday and close out the group stages against Panama next Tuesday. The under-20 girls, who are hunting a first World Cup berth, reached this stage by finishing top of their group in the previous round, winning all of their matches and not conceding a goal. Further afield now, Manchester United will secure Champions League qualification today should they avoid a defeat against Chelsea in a rescheduled clash at the English Premier League at Old Trafford. United are on 69 points in fourth place, 3 ahead of fifth place Liverpool, who have only one game to play in Sunday's season finale. A win for the Red Devils puts them into third, leapfrogging Newcastle, who are on 70 points. Meanwhile, Chelsea, who have only one win in their last 9 Premier League games, are 12th on 43 points and can spring up a place with victory in the match that kicks off at 2 p.m. The last time both teams met, the match ended in a 1-1 draw at Stamford Bridge. World champion Shericka Jackson and Johan Blake, along with Olympic champion Hansa Parchment, headline 11 Jamaicans down to compete at the Rabat Diamond League in Morocco on Sunday, the second stop in the 14-meet series. Jackson will line up in the women's 200 meters with competition from Bahamian Anthony Strawn and American Kayla White. Meanwhile, Blake will face a stacked field in the men's 100 meters that includes world champion Fred Curley and Olympic champion Marcel Jacobs. Parchment squares off with reigning Sportsman of the Year and Commonwealth Games champion Rashid Broadbell, as well as world champion Grant Holloway. The first Jamaicans on the track will be Rochelle Clayton, Genevieve Russell, and Cheyenne Salmon, who are down to contest the 400-meter hurdles. World Championship silver medalist Shanika Ricketts and Kimberly Williams are set for the women's triple jump, while national record holder Rasheen McDonald is slated for the men's 400 meters and Natoya Gould-Toppin suits up for the 800 meters. Now, consecutive defeats leave reigning champions Jamaica in danger of not retaining their Cricket West Indies T20 Blaze title after going down by 8 wickets to Guyana earlier today at Warner Park in St. Kitts. Batting first, the Jamaicans posted a modest 109 for 6, with captain Stefani Taylor leading the way with 48 from 49 balls, with 5 fours and a 6. Natasha McLean chipped in with 27 and Kanisha Ferron 20. West Indies medium pacer Cherian Fraser picked up 3 for 18. The Guyanese ramped to victory at 110 for 2 with 12 balls to spare, thanks to 50 not out from Shemaine Campbell and 37 from Shamika Gajnabi. The Guyanese jumped to the top of the table with 12 points, while the Jamaicans slipped to third on 8 with 1 game to play. Later this afternoon, the Windward Islands, who started the day at the top on 8 points, take on Barbados, who are also on 8 points. And the day's final game will see second from bottom Trinidad and Tobago taking on bottom place the Leeward Islands. And that's it for your midday sports report. Well, Shane, it's back to you.